One thing we have noticed is one possibility that we need to explore is the incorrect insertion of the tubing. In this case, we're showing the same pump that is producing the 5 liters per minute plus with no issues. You see no bubbles in the flow meter coming. But if the tubing is just slightly side-loaded, as soon as you have a side load, the pump is now sucking in air. You can see the air now introduced into the flow meter, and the flow has reduced to about 2.5 liters per minute. By side loading, you can see it does take a little bit of side loading, but not really too much to be able to introduce air into the fitting. Now that we've taken away the side loading, there's no more air being sucked in, and the flow meter is back to, it quickly went back to 5 liters per minute. The other thing we're showing in this video is this black line right here. That's how far the tubing should be inserted into the pump to have a complete installation. We push it basically all the way in, and now even with some side loading, as we try to move the tubing around, even with some side loading, we are not able to make the fitting, the O-ring, move and the pump suck in air. You can see the flow is steady at plus 5 liters per minute. So the point of this section video is, if the tubing is not completely inserted into the pump, some side loading of the tubing will cause the O-ring to not seal properly and the pump to suck in air.